This phone was once called a flagship killer, the Realme X2 Pro. But now it's 2025, so many new phones have launched with better processor, better camera and new design. So the real question today is the Realme X2 Pro still worth it in 2025? If you are thinking of buying an old flagship or if you already own this phone, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end because I am going to give you a very final, honest review. So let's start without wasting any. If you have First, let's talk about the design. Even in 2025, when you pick up the Realme X2 Pro, it still feels premium in the hand. It has a glass back and a metal frame that gives it a really solid and premium feel. Many budget phones today are still made up of plastic, but this phone actually feels like a proper flagship. Yes, it is a little heavy, but that weight makes it feel stronger and more durable. And for people who like slightly bulky and solid phone, this one is actually perfect. Even the camera bump is not too annoying. When you place the phone on a table, it doesn't wobble. Now let's talk about the display. And honestly, this is the one thing that can still impress people today. It comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. A lot of people talk about 120Hz these days, but in real life, 90Hz still feels very smooth for daily use. Whether you're watching YouTube, scrolling Instagram or watching Netflix, everything looks rich, sharp and vibrant on the screen. The colors are punchy, the blacks are deep, and the brightness is good enough for outdoor use too. So if you love watching content on your phone, this display is still going to make you happy in 2025. Now let's come to the most important part, performance. The Realme X2 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and yes, even in 2025 this processor is still very capable. I tested this phone by opening multiple apps one after another and the switching was smooth. There was no major lag or freezes. For normal daily use like Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google, browsing and music, this phone still feels fast and reliable. If you are into gaming, games like BGMI, Call of Duty or Free Fire, it can still handle them on medium to high settings. Basically, this phone still gives you a very solid and reliable performance in 2025, especially if you are a student or a normal day-to-day user. Yes, if you play very heavy games for a long time, it can get slightly warm, but nothing serious or damaged. If you have watched till here, do subscribe to my channel. And if you want the latest phones of the Realme, the best deal link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Do check them. Now let's talk about the camera. The Realme X2 Pro comes with a 64 megapixel main camera. In daylight, the photos look sharp and detailed. The colors look natural and not overly processed. Portrait mode also works pretty well and the edge detection is decent. In low light, the performance becomes average compared to modern phones in 2025, but it's not so bad that photos become unusable. Video recording is also quite stable, especially for basic vlogging or casual videos. So in short, the camera is usable, decent but not outstanding in 2025 standard. Talking about the battery, the Realme X2 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery. On a normal day, this phone can easily last you a full day as long as you are not doing heavy gaming or constant video recording. But the strongest part of this phone is the 50-watt Super VOOC fast charging. Even in 2025, this charging speed is still very impressive. You can go from 0 to 100 in around 30 to 35 minutes, which is actually faster than many new phones today. This one feature alone still makes the Realme X2 Pro special even. So if I summarize the pros and cons, premium build quality, beautiful AMOLED display, still powerful performance, extremely fast charging, and cons, average low light camera, no 5G support, battery backup is average by today's standard, but honestly for the right price this phone can still be very good. So now the final question, should you buy the Realme X2 Pro in 2025 or not? If you can get it for a very low price, something around 7 to 9,000, then yes, it can be a really good deal. But if the price is higher than that, then there are better options available in the market. And if you already own this phone, then to be honest, there's no urgent need to upgrade right now. It can still serve you well. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and comment X2 Pro. And also do check out the links in the description, you can get the best deals right now. Thanks for watching.